Today we're going to be learning about cubic transformations. This determines whether the graph is going to be a stretch or compression, whether it'll move left or right, or if it moves up or down. So the basic equation for this is y equals a, parentheses, x plus or minus h, parentheses, plus or minus k. The a value is going to give you your stretch or compression. The h is going to determine whether it's going to move left or right. It'll move right if it's minus, and then if it's plus, then it'll move left. And then for k, it's just as it sounds. If it's positive, then it goes up. If it's negative, then it goes down.
So our example today is y equals 2, parenthesis x minus 3, parenthesis cubed plus 1. So the 2 is going to make it stretch 2, which means we're going to have to multiply our y values of the parent graph by 2. So, and then the negative 3 is going to make it to where it moves right 3. And the 1 is going to make it move up 1. And the cubed is going to make it to where our graph looks like this. The negative 3 and the 1 make our vertex. So that's where we plot our point. We move right 3 and we go up 1. That starts where our vertex is. So from here, now that we have the stretch of 2, we have to multiply the y values of our parent graph. So that makes it to where we have to move over 1/2 and then go up 0.25 for the first one, and then for the second one we have to go over 1 up 2. And then for the third one we have to go over 2 and up 16 because we had to multiply it by 2. Alright, so now we move on to the check step. So we're back to our example. Y equals 2, parenthesis x minus 3, parenthesis cubed plus 1. So from here, a point from our graph was 4, 3. So we have to plug it in order to check it. So we do 3, getting it from the y value, plugging it in for y, equals 2, parenthesis 4, plugging that 4 in for the x, minus 3, parenthesis cubed plus 1. So we have to do it in order operations, PEMDAS. So we have to do parentheses first. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. So that gives us 3 equals 2 times 1 cubed plus 1. So then from there we make the cubed happen. So we do 3 equals 2 times 1 plus 1, since 1 cubed is 1. So then from there, after that, we do 2 times 1. So that gives us 3 equals 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 3 equals 3. And that's how you check it. Boom.